Good morning, student. This is subject science for class 7. And yesterday in that video I taught you about heat, temperature. And today I am going to teach you about uh, first topic for today is Celsius scale. What is Celsius scale? You are going to measure temperature in by Celsius, in degree Celsius, in Fahrenheit and in Kelvin. So, what is Celsius scale? Try to understand about it. The Celsius temperature scale, you can write degree C, mean degree centigrade, was developed by Anders Celsius. Name of that scientist? What was the name of that scientist? Anders Celsius in 1742. The 0 point of the Celsius scale is set to the temperature. 0 point of the Celsius scale is set to the temperature at which water freezes. In that scale, that 0 at temperature on which water freezes. The number 200, number 100 is set to temperature at which water boils. Okay, mean water 0 on which water freezes and 100 on which water boils. Celsius set 100 equal division, that is known as degree. One space between two line, that is known as 1 degree between the freezing and boiling point. The Celsius scale is standard scale used around most of the world to measure temperature. It is used in most of the world for measuring temperature. Next, second, the Fahrenheit scale. What is Fahrenheit scale? The Fahrenheit temperature scale was designed by Gabriel Fahrenheit. Name of that scientist? Gabriel Fahrenheit. And it is usually used in clinical and meteorological purposes. Where it is used? It is used in clinical and meteorological purposes. Here the ice point and the steam point are correspondingly as 32 degree Fahrenheit and 212 degree Fahrenheit, and the fundamental interval is divided into 180. If you are going to subtract 32 from 212, you can get 180, and 80 equal division. You will get 180 equal division, and each division is called 1 degree Fahrenheit. You will write 1 degree and F, Fahrenheit, capital F. This was Fahrenheit. This designed by Gabriel Fahrenheit. And third is Kelvin scale. This scale was developed by Lord Kelvin. Who developed this scale? Lord Kelvin, and is used internationally, in modern scientific work. And in this scale, the ice point is marked at 273 K Kelvin. And the steam point 373 Kelvin, the fundamental interval is divided into 100 equal divisions, and like that in the degree centigrade or Celsius scale, you know, each division is reached as 1 degree absolute or 1 Kelvin. In fact, Kelvin scale of temperature starts from, the temperature correspondingly to minus 273 degree centigrade, taken as 0 Kelvin, and you can, temperature, a temperature measurement in any of three scales can be easily converted to another scale. I will teach you about it tomorrow, and see. And next topic is difference between heat and temperature. Try to understand about difference between heat and temperature. First, heat is a form of energy, and whereas temperature, it is degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Temperature is a degree of hotness and coldness of a body, whereas heat is a form of energy. Second difference, it is measured in joule. Heat is measured in joule, whereas temperature, it is measured in degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, or in Kelvin. Third, heat. Heat is the phenomena which help in raising the temperature of an object. Heat is the phenomena which help in rise in the temperature of an object, whereas temperature, it is the effect of heat. Temperature is effect of heat, and that is phenomena which help in rising the temperature of an object. So today you will write in your note copy difference between heat and temperature.